The journey to pure comfort starts here. Pristine New Zealand, wild, remote, beautiful. We've been producing the world's softest sheepskins since 1969, a tradition forged on rugged plains and perfected in our family-owned Napier factory. We start with the finest raw materials from farms with the highest standards of animal welfare. Our tanning process is environmentally focused, free from heavy metals and mindful of water consumption. Crafted with expertise, each sheepskin is dried, graded, and finished by hand with an eye for detail. Our team are true artisans, dedicated to sharing nature's gift from New Zealand with the world. Handcrafted with a care and passion, a classic sheepskin is soft to touch and carries the mark of exceptional quality. From farm to your home, this is the journey of pure comfort.